I'm so stoked. I just found a burrowing owl. I've been looking for one all day in these pastures, specifically checking out these rock clumps. It's getting towards the end of the day, and I just pulled up to this rock clump. Thought I'd give it a check. I haven't seen any owls in all the ones I've checked, but I got one right here, just right in that clump, maybe about 30 feet from me. So I don't want to be too close, but I'll zoom in so you guys can see him. There he is. What a handsome little guy. Sorry, the camera's a bit shaky. Oh man, what a beauty. Look at him just staring right at me. Well, I gotta get going, unfortunately, but what a great way to end the day. Having this little guy.